6, 7. Okay, here's some help videos for review worksheet number 3 where we're factoring completely. Copy this down into your notes somewhere. Here's just the general idea of things to do every time you're given instructions to factor. You always want to think about all of these things, and this order is usually the best way to do it. Always check for a greatest common factor. Always, always, always. Then look for a difference of squares because that's super easy. And then use the magic X, which is trinomial factoring, and then try to do factor by grouping, which is for 4 terms usually. And then the last thing typically you might see is a quadratic pattern. We'll see this on the bottom of our review worksheet here. But remember, always, always, always look for a greatest common factor first. And that's what we're going to see on our very first one right here. The greatest common factor of these, oh man, you can barely see that, of those 3 numbers right there is a 2. So we factor the 2 out of all 3 terms. It's going to leave an r squared, and then plus 7r, and then plus 10. And then you have a trinomial here. What adds up to 7 and multiplies to 10 is 5 and 2. So you're going to have a 2, and then r plus 5, and then r plus 2, which is letter C. Is that the correct answer? Yes, it is. Okay, and let's do this one over here. Can we see that? It's going to be a plus 9 and minus 8, plus 9 and minus 8. That's going to be that one right there. Let's see here. Aha, here's a difference of squares. What is the square root of 16? It's going to be 4, and it's going to be 4r because it's 16r squared. What's the square root of 25? It's 5. We write that down twice, and then just do plus and minus, or minus and plus, whichever way you want to do it. 4r plus 5 and 4r minus 5 is number 3D. Yes, it is. Good job. And over here, here's also a difference of squares. What's the square root of k squared? That's k. Square root of 2 or 4 is 2. And then we do plus and minus. Which one is it? Is the answer for 4C? Yes, it is. All right, that's the end of this video.